Life isn't random, it's not about luck. Your life is a direct result of your choices. Every decision, big or small, shapes your experiences and who you become. You are the architect of your life. Build wisely. Think about it. Where are you today? What choices brought you here? Your job, your relationships, your health? They all reflect decisions made in the past. This is powerful. It means you have the power to change. You're not stuck. You can create a different future by making new choices today. Take control of your life. You are the author of your story. Write a chapter you'll be proud of. It's easy to blame others for where we are. It's my parents' fault. My boss doesn't give me a chance. I don't have enough time. These are just excuses. Yes, external factors exist, but it's how we respond that truly matters. We can choose to be victims or victors. We can dwell on problems or find solutions. Remember, every moment presents a new choice. You can choose to stay stuck in the past or build a better future. It's your call. Let go of blame. Embrace responsibility. It's the first step to real change. Let's get real. Excuses hold us back. They keep us in our comfort zones even if we're unhappy. Time to break free. I'm not smart enough. Nonsense. You can learn and grow. It's too late to change. Never. You have the power to start fresh at any moment. Don't believe the lies you tell yourself. You are capable of amazing things, but it starts with taking ownership. Stop making excuses. Start making progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, takes you closer to the life you desire. Section 4. Choices in action shaping your world. Let's see how powerful choices really are. Imagine your dream job. What choices will get you there? Education, networking, hard work. Each step you take aligns you with your goal. Now think about your health. What choices impact it? Food, exercise, sleep? These daily decisions determine your well-being. Even your passions and hobbies reflect choices. What do you love to do? What have you always wanted to try? Take action. Pursue your dreams one choice at a time. Section 5. One choice. Ignite your potential. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The same goes for transforming your life. It starts with one new choice. What will your choice be? What positive change will you make today? Choose to eat healthier. Choose to learn a new skill. Choose to forgive someone, including yourself. This is your wake-up call. You have the power to create a life you love. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start now. Take control. Make the choice. Unleash your full potential. The future is yours to create.